guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make stickers with a Cricut machine using the print then cut method. So let's just get started. So I first just started by designing my daisy sticker in Procreate, and I'm not going to go into a full depth tutorial how to use Procreate, but I just decided to trace over a picture of a daisy that I found on the internet. I could do it freehand, but I just decided to trace over an image to make the process go a lot faster. This is the easiest sticker that I made. I just decided to show you me doing an easy one for this tutorial, but I've already made a couple other stickers that you'll see later on in the video. So yeah, I just decided to speed up this process. I'm sure you could find a more in-depth tutorial on how to use Procreate if you wanted to, because there's other videos out there, but I'm gonna show you how I use my Cricut afterwards to make the actual stickers, but I thought I would just include this part in here. Also, I was deciding on whether to use Illustrator to make my sticker designs or Procreate, and I decided to use Procreate. I've only used Procreate one other time for like video transitions, so I kind of wanted to use it a little bit more, and I feel like I wanted my stickers to look more hand-drawn and like homemade, whereas if I used Illustrator it would probably look more professional, like logos and stuff like that. So this was the vibe that I was going for, more like homemade. So that's what I decided on, and Procreate is actually really user-friendly and fun to use. I really enjoy doing this because this was my first time making stickers. And I also wanted to mention all of the designs were my own except for the cat design and the wave design. I found an image on the internet of a Siamese cat sticker, and I really loved the design. I thought it was so cute, so I decided to use that to trace over, and that one was the most detailed and hardest one to make, but I really love how it turned out. And then the wave one, I'm not sure where that was found. I'm pretty sure I found those both on Pinterest, but I did change the colors in the wave to make it my own, because I obviously wanted it to be blue, not pink, so I thought I would just mention that. So I really like the white border around all of my stickers, so I don't know if you've seen that because it was kind of in fast motion, but a little bit later you'll see. I first just start by making a white border around the whole sticker, and I send that layer all the way to the back, and then I will uncheck all of the other layers and just keep the white background checked, and I just fill it all in white. I don't know if that matters, but that's what I've been doing with all of my stickers. And then I will check all of them and group all the layers together so that it's all one layer. And then you always want to make sure to uncheck the background, because that's what's going to make it a PNG, so that the background is transparent and doesn't have white behind it. And then I just clicked on the little wrench symbol in the upper left corner, and then I clicked on share image and then PNG. That's really important when exporting it. And I airdropped it to my MacBook Air. So that's how you export your sticker designs. Next, you just want to go to your Cricut design space, and I just clicked on a new project in the right hand corner, and I started by uploading all of my stickers. So because all of my stickers have very fine details in them, I chose the complex image type. And then for the next step, you can just skip, but then the third one, you want to make sure it's print then cut, because we're first going to print out the stickers on the sticker paper, and then we're going to use the Cricut to cut them. So I just did that for all 6 of my stickers. So once I resized all of them to about 2 inches, I kind of just eyed it to see if they were all kind of similar in height. And then next, you just want to make sure you save your project, because I've done this before where I forgot to save and then I lost all of what I arranged on the canvas. So yeah, I just called it stickers. And then this is the sticker paper that I used. It's just the Cricut brand, and I believe it's matte. It's not glossy. I kind of would prefer glossy stickers, but I couldn't find a sticker paper for that. I would probably have to order that on Amazon, but I just got mine from Joann Fabrics. So here I'm just showing you the correct way to put the paper in the printer. You want to make sure the white is face down and then the lines are faced up. I made the mistake of printing it the wrong way the first time, so I kind of wasted a piece of sticker paper. Next, I just selected all the stickers together and clicked on attached, and then I clicked on make it in the upper right hand corner. So then I just adjusted it where I wanted it to be and hit continue, because otherwise it cut off my stickers, so that's why I moved it down a bit. And then I pressed send to printer, and I didn't need a bleed, so I just unchecked that, and then I just printed it off. So that's how it should look on your sticker paper. and then I just stuck it in the upper left-hand corner of my mat, just how it showed on the screen. And I set my Cricut to paper, and then I just loaded it in and it started cutting. I didn't really film this part because I had issues with my Cricut. I had to do a firmware update and calibrate it since it wasn't cutting properly, but I got that fixed in the end. So this is how my stickers turned out. So I think they turned out really cute. I hope this video was helpful if you're wanting to make stickers for yourself. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!